This is the AA Forge Bushcrafter. The blade steel is CPM 3V. The blade length is 4.25 inches long. The handle is 4.6. The blade thickness is 2.5 millimeters. All of these measurements are from my uncalibrated caliper. This is a high saber grind with a convex edge. Probably one of the sharpest knives I received. The handle is micarta. There's two what appear to be brass handle bolts. The spine of the knife is sharp. You can definitely spark a ferro rod or shred fibrous material with the spine of the knife. The handle is very comfortable. It reminds me of an Adventure Sworn handle, which we'll compare in a moment here. I used the knife today without any gloves. No hot spots. The handle was comfortable throughout. The back of the knife is smooth. Everything's very nicely done. So here is an Adventure Sworn Explorer. And if you look at the handle, they're both very similar. I don't know if I have a favorite between the two handles. Another knife I want to compare it to is a Bark River Bravo 1.25 LT. This is another knife in CPM 3V. High saber grind with a convex edge on this knife as well. And another knife I thought I'd compare it with is this Tops Tanambuco Puko. A lot to say there. And just the reason why it's a thinner blade stock. This one's in 1095. Nice little knife. A Forge Bushcrafter compared to these other three knives.